There's a couple different icons on LinkedIn that there's a little bit of confusion with some people as to what those icons refer to. So I'm going to do my best to explain them to you in this video. First of all, the first one is right here. I see that just by happenstance on my LinkedIn profile. People you may know, there's the person icon, the person and the plus. Let me make that bigger. So there it is there. It's the person and the plus. That's a connect icon. That's what that's all about, is connecting. Now I'll show you another one, and that is if I go to, let's go to Alinda's profile, open that up. There's the person and the plus, but under the more, there's the plus by itself. That's a follow icon. This is a connect icon, and that's a follow icon. Now I have one more to show you. If I go look at my network, and if I go look at invites that I've gotten right here, and if I go look at this person's profile, so right there, I made it bigger so we can see it. There's a little arrow to accept this person, and then there's an X after the person, which means ignore the invite. And by the way, furthermore, there's the plus for follow. Those are the key icons that are available that show up on LinkedIn in different places. They show up on mobile, they show up on desktop, and I just want to add a little clarity to what they mean. And that's a new one to me. I actually hadn't paid attention to the arrow. So there's a human in the X, which is to ignore. There's an arrow and a human, which means accept. There's a plus that means follow. And if I go back a few, you can see right here that there's the human and the plus, which means send an invite to connect. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.